Hello, this is George Emmerich, the Athletic Director, with a message to students and parents regarding restarting our intramural sports program, which is our in-house athletic program, as well as our interscholastic athletic program. Throughout this announcement, I will mention multiple links which will appear on the screen and be available in the description section of this YouTube video. First off, all districts must adhere to the New York State Department of Health Public Health Interim Guidance for Sports and Recreation during the COVID-19 public health emergency. To find more information on this, you can go to www.governor.ny.gov. Our modified and varsity boys swimming and diving will resume practice on Monday, February 1st. That's today. They will practice in their cohorts today and tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. Starting this Wednesday, February 3rd, swimmers will be allowed to mix cohorts and practice together. The modified team and the varsity team will not practice or swim meets at the same time. They will still need to stay apart. All meets will be virtual at this time. Swimming is considered a low to moderate risk activity. The meet schedule can be found at www.schedulegalaxy.com. Once our other athletic sports get going, you'll also be able to find their schedules at this same link. Practices for varsity volleyball, varsity boys basketball, and varsity girls basketball will start on Monday, February the 8th. Times will be announced on the school's athletic webpage. Athletes must wear acceptable face coverings at all times during these high-risk sports. Games are tentatively scheduled to start after March 1. Jefferson County's 14-day rolling average for positive COVID tests results must be below 4% to begin games. At this time, as of today, it is 8.3%. It will need to be below 4% by March 1st in order for games to start. You can find the 14-day rolling percentage for Jefferson County at the following link. That's forward.ny.gov/percentage. Spectators. Spectators will not be allowed to attend games or contests. Our games and contests will be live streamed on our athletic Facebook page. Students who signed up for winter sports back in the fall will still be able to participate. If you did not sign up and wish to do so, please contact the athletic office at 315-785-3833. If you want your name removed from the athletic roster, please contact the office as well. Students in grades 7th and 8th will not be allowed to move up to varsity level sports during the winter season. However, these students will have an opportunity to participate in the intramural sports program. Some students in the 9th and the 10th grade will be asked to participate at the varsity level in interscholastic sports. Students that are not asked to participate at the varsity level will be able to participate in the JV intramural sports program. The intramural sports program will start back up on Thursday, February 4th. Students will need to fill out permission slips for each sport they participate in during the intramural sports program. They only need to do this once. However, they will need to sign up weekly through volunteer sign up. The link will be put out on Parent Square and it will also be on the athletic webpage. The New York State Public High School Athletic Association provides guidelines for interscholastic sports during COVID-19. They can be found at www.nyspHSAA.org. If you have any other questions about our intramural in-house program or our athletic program, please contact my office. Again, that number is 315-785-3833. We'd like to thank everybody for their flexibility and understanding with this season. If any other changes come up, I will let people know as soon as possible. Thank you very much.